Hey everyone! Most likely, you've seen some YouTube channels with kid-friendly 3D animated videos. The ones with millions of views, you know? A few years ago, it took a whole team, intricate procedures, and a lot of time to create a video like that. Additionally, you can check Social Blade based solely on ad revenue. On YouTube, they are earning millions of dollars by producing 3D animated videos. However, in 2025, things have changed. Neither a large budget nor a team with highly skilled tech personnel are necessary. With just one AI tool, anyone can produce 3D animated videos in a matter of minutes. Indeed, a single prompt is all that is required. You read correctly, a single prompt with a comprehensive AI tool. You don't need any prior knowledge of animation design or cartoon styles. Everything is taken care of for you by the AI. You can even make your video up to half an hour long. Are you excited yet? All of it is in one location. And the finest aspect? It ensures that your characters remain the same throughout the narrative. Thus, watch this video through to the end. Using a prompt and a few magic clicks, I'll walk you through the process of making a 3D animated video. Additionally, I'll give you some insider knowledge on how to generate strong concepts before you even launch a kid's 3D animation YouTube channel. Do not leave. This is something you should not miss. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. It truly keeps me inspired to provide you with more insightful and beneficial content. All right, let's jump into the AI tool I've been talking about. Making videos is made incredibly simple and time efficient with this tool. All you have to do is enter a prompt, and it will handle the rest. I'm clicking Start for free right now. The user interface is incredibly straightforward, tidy, and intuitive. There are numerous videos that have already been made by other users. Excellent for providing motivation. You get 300 free credits when you sign up with Gmail, according to Magic Light. Many things are available to you with their free plan. Image generation, storyboard writing, voiceovers, sound effects, consistent character features. That is more than sufficient to thoroughly test the tool. The next step is to create a video. Paste in any existing script you may have. If not, don't worry. Let's begin with a straightforward prompt. I'll go straight to ChatGPT and request 20 kid-friendly narrative ideas for 3D animated films. The best one will be chosen, and ChatGPT will then be asked to create a prompt that will produce 3 fantastic children's tales. I will carefully review each story after I receive them and choose the best ones. Criteria: age-appropriate, simple, wholesome, with a clear moral or educational message. Choose your favorite story, then copy and paste it into the prompt. After that, decide on the aspect ratio. Since it's easier to watch on YouTube and we're creating a full-length video, I choose 16:9. Magic Light is compatible with a number of languages. Since English is the only language on the list that I am familiar with and it is a global language, I have decided to use it. Pro tip number 1. If you're creating videos to monetize on YouTube, definitely go with English. English-speaking viewers from high CPM nations like the US, Australia, and Canada are drawn to it. Going back to the tool, we select the style of animation. As you can see, there are a ton of styles. 3D cartoon, Disney animal kid story, comic epic, anime, and more. Choose a style that works best for your video. I'm going with Disney. You will also choose the length of the video. For this one, I'll pick 3 minutes. Click Next after that. The AI will now examine the narrative and divide it into scenes. Click Next once more. Character selection is now necessary. Assume that Anna, her mother, a knock on the door, and a narrator are all involved in our story. The final 2 will be combined into a single character. First, we have Anna. I'll choose this adorable young girl and verify that she is 3 years old in the story. Next is Anna's mom. For a unique touch, I'll ask ChatGPT to create a 500-character prompt based on our story that will allow me to design her in the Disney style. Copy and paste that prompt into Magic Light, then select Create to produce the image. You can upload a picture and outfit straight in if you already have a character design in mind. The man who knocked on the door is no different. Here's the guy I'll choose. Next, we select voiceovers and press the Next button. We are currently awaiting the creation of the storyboard. We must verify the accuracy of every scene after the characters have been inserted into the narrative. Additionally, go over the voiceovers again and, if necessary, add sound effects. In the event that an image appears incorrect, create a new prompt and regenerate. After everything appears to be in order, click Animate. High-low is my pick in this case. More credits and a more fluid rendering are provided. The total cost would increase if you were to complete this process by hand, such as creating storyboards using ChatGPT, creating each image using Leonardo AI, and then creating the video using high-low. Magic Light is significantly more affordable than that. Now choose the images to animate and hit enter. Next step, pro tip number 2. Using music from within the platform is not something I advise if you intend to post the video to YouTube. You may encounter problems with copyright. Best choices? Utilize music from the YouTube audio library, buy music licenses from websites such as Epidemic Sound, or use Suno to make your own. In the video description or on the tag card up here, you can view my Suno tutorial. Alright, it's finished. After we watch the finished product together, I'll give you some insider advice if you're considering launching a 3D animated YouTube channel.
Under the bright morning sun, the family farm thrives with rows of ripe, glistening produce. Anna's laughter fills the air as she skips through the garden, her joy echoing through the crops. Her mom carefully gathers the freshly picked bounty, filling a wicker basket with nature's gifts. Muffin, the fluffy puppy, joyfully trots behind, his tail wagging with boundless energy. Pickles, the baby dinosaur, stands guard near the chicken coop, his shimmering scales catching the light. Anna instructs, "You're in charge while I go inside, okay?" Pickles swishes his tail proudly, accepting his duty. Anna and Muffin sit at a small table, immersed in creating treasure maps. A smooth, storybook deep voice echoes from outside. Sir Elric, cloaked in shimmering purple and a feathered hat, waits at the farmhouse door. He holds a small golden box labeled, "For Princess Anna." Sir Elric announces, "Greetings, young viewers. I am Sir Elric, royal mailman and magical storyteller. Today, I bring a very important message and a delicious cookie. But will Princess Anna open the door?" Anna moves quietly toward the door, Muffin's soft bark breaking the silence. Anna peers cautiously through the peephole, her eyes searching for answers. He looks like someone from a fairy tale, but I don't know him. Anna whispers, her mind racing. Anna remembers her mom's rule and inhales deeply. "I'm sorry, mister. I can't open the door. My mommy said no." Sir Elric smiles kindly, then vanishes in a puff of soft sparkles. A star-shaped cookie and a little note remain on the porch. Bathed in the sunset's glow, Mom returns to the farmhouse, her presence filling the room with warmth. Anna, her face a canvas of relief and excitement, recounts the day's events.
Guys, thanks for watching this video. Do you want to create a 3D video right now? Please come to the description and click the link to start with Magic Light today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. It helps me stay motivated to create more valuable content for you. See you in the next video.